How to use this blog. In order to use this blog, one must fully read the page in its entirety first, then go back to the beginning and dissect the material. It is due to the fact that the blog pages will have a lot of data in them. It is important that the reader be very careful in how they use and perceive the data, because they can be confused and misled by the new information, especially if they have preconceived ideas and biases. The reader must look at the facts for what they are, simply facts. The conclusions they create should come at the very late stages of reading all or over 90% of the data on each page. The data I'm referring to on the page also includes researching the data on the hyperlinks. Therefore, it should cause the reader to be very busy. That is, if they are studious or interested enough in acquiring knowledge. It is important to use or not use particular tools in assisting you on this adventure. Some tools are as follows. The internet. There can be erroneous information, therefore exercise caution. Usage of the hyperlinks are not the end all. Use other search engines. Wikipedia is used a lot for convenience because the reader will usually easily be open to much more information on this platform. Notebook. The reader should be making their own notes on the specific subject matter. Mental notes will cause erroneous conception of ideas because humans can forget. Use a pencil or pen, paper, or electronic means. Example, Microsoft Word. Bible. Use electronic Bible software due to the ease of its use. Example, eSword. Some software are free to download. Exercise caution when using certain Bible translations due to their variety. You can check out this website. Apocryphal books. Exercise caution when reading. Read them after praying to Yahweh, because the content must be viewed in a Christian perspective and under guidance. They are only mentioned to acknowledge their existence and others. Example, Dead Sea Scrolls. Canonical books. Exercise caution when reading. Wrong interpretation leads to error. Therefore, use word translations. Example, Bible Hub. Human resources. You can have a study group or ask a person for help, but remember, they too have biases. You can comment on articles because this brings discussion and possibly clarity. Library. Utilize your country's public library. Prayer. If you are a Christian, it is important to ask your God for help. Occult knowledge. By no means should this knowledge, if ever surfaced through your research, be physically, mentally, spiritually, or otherwise practiced. This knowledge is forbidden by the God of Abraham. Do not experiment or use. The usages of the main tabs, example, home, introduction, etc., are for general information, but articles will be placed under main themes.